let's have a look at this one. If the area of a regular hexagon is equals to the area of an equilateral triangle with the side 12, when an equilateral triangle with the side 12 is given to me, I can figure out the area of the equilateral triangle. That's not a problem. And that is equals to the area of hexagon that you are looking at, right? Then the length in centimeter of each of the side of the hexagon is what? So if you try and draw a hexagon, a regular hexagon, this is how it would look like. So you're trying to draw a regular hexagon. Let me name this as A, B, C, D, E, and F. And you are looking at an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, of course, is what? All the three angles are 60 and each side is also 12 given to you of this equilateral triangle. They are saying that the area is same. So what is the area of an equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle, half base, which is 12 in this case, into height, which is going to be 12 sine 60, because this angle is 60 and the side is 12. So you can find out the height over there. So this is going to be 1 by 2 times of 12 into 12. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Right? So that's going to be the area of the triangle. What will be the area of the hexagon? Let's have a look at this. If you look at a hexagon, it is going to make 6 angles at the center. It is going to make 6 angles at the center. Then each of these 6 angles should be 60 because the total angle is what? 360. If this is 60 and these two are also equal, this will also become an equilateral triangle of 60, 60, 60, right? So 6 times, because there are 6 such triangles. If I add all these 6 triangles, I'll get the area of the hexagon. So 6 times the area of one of the triangle over here, which is half base, let's say side length is A, into height is A times of sine 60, which is root 3 by 2. So A times of root 3 by 2, correct? Now this area present over here, which is the area of the hexagon, is equals to the area of the given triangle, right? So let's just equate the two. 6 times of 1 by 2 times of A times of A root 3 by 2 should be equals to half of 12 into 12 into root 3 by 2. Now root 3 by 2 will get cancelled out. Half will also get cancelled out. 6 times of A square is what you are left with on the right hand side, and you are left with a 12 and a 12 over here, right? So A square would turn out to be 12 into 12 divided by a 6. 6 2s are 12. You are looking at A square as 24. If your A square is turning out to be 24, so A will turn out to be equals to 2 root over of 6. This will be the side of a hexagon. They're asking you each of the hexagon side is how much. So that's 2 root 6.